Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we will be making chicken pitas with beet chips. So we've thinly sliced our beets. I've tossed them in a little bit of oil, just a sprinkle of salt, and now we're going to evenly spread them out on a baking sheet. Our oven is preheated to 350, 375. Now we're going to take another baking sheet and place them on top of our beets as we put them into the oven. We are going to bake these until the edges begin to kind of dry out. We'll take this other sheet off halfway through. You just want to keep a close eye on it. Now in our saucepan here, we have a little bit of oil heating up. I'm going to begin to saute some garlic. Alright, so we're going to go in with our chickpeas next. I'm going to watch for popping because there's moisture in the chickpeas. We'll let those go for a couple of minutes. Adding like some salt, some cracked black pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of my lemon juice now. Cover these for just a couple of minutes. Alright, so we're ready to add our spinach. Our remaining lemon juice. I'm going to add just a splash of water. We're going to do this until our spinach begins to wilt. Alright, our spinach is wilted, so I'm going to kill the heat. Remove this, let it cool for just a couple of minutes before we process this. Alright, so we're going to let this continue to cool, but I am going to go ahead and add my tahini. And I'm going to squeeze some more lemon juice in. We'll let this continue to cool for just a few minutes because you don't want to encase this while it's still hot. Alright, so we're ready to process our mixture. Drizzle of olive oil just to loosen everything up. Process it a little bit more. Alright. That's the consistency that we're looking for. So we will assemble our pitas and show you the finished product here in just a few minutes. Alright, our beet chips are ready to go. We're going to pull those out and let them cool off. Alright, we are placing these on a cooling rack. I'm going to allow them to rest. Alright, so we're going to assemble one of our pitas. I've got some slices of tomato. I have our spinach hummus that we made. We have some shredded chicken, so I'm going to open up a pita, put some of our cooked chicken, put some of our hummus inside, and then next we can place some slices of tomato. And you can kind of build them really any way that you want. This is something you could get the kids involved with. And that's all there is to it.